Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the topic of Goodbudget safety and security. Goodbudget takes the security and privacy of its users seriously. The app uses 256-bit bank-grade encryption to secure your data in a secure data center. This is the same level of encryption used by many banks. Goodbudget also has a clear privacy policy that states they do not sell or rent your personal information to third parties. For those using the optional automatic bank sync feature, Goodbudget uses Plaid, a trusted platform, to create a secure connection to your financial institutions. Plaid never shares your banking credentials with Goodbudget, and your information is kept secure using internationally recognized security standards. However, it's worth noting that using this feature means you are sharing some data with Plaid. Goodbudget's approach also gives users a degree of control over their security. For users who choose not to link their bank accounts, all transactions are entered manually. This means you don't have to share your bank account login information with a third-party app, which can be an added layer of security. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like,